Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your library from Spotify to Amazon Music. So transferring your library from Spotify into Amazon Music is very doable, but you will need a third-party tool since there is no official one. So actually guys, you will need to use the Tune My Music tool. Okay, so this is the most popular, right? Okay, so all you need to do is to go to the tunemymusic.com and then just select Spotify as the source, sign in with your account, go with agree, and then here you choose whether you want to copy the Spotify playlist URL or just go and load from your Spotify account. So the best option for me is to go with load from Spotify account, and I do really advise to do that because it's easier. And let's say I do want to transfer all the playlists, so you can actually choose specific ones. For me, I will go with full playlists and then just go with choose destination. Okay, so now just look for Amazon Music and then click on the Amazon Music, go with allow, and go with start transfer. Okay, so the transfer is processing right now. As you can see, it's processed 5 out of 78 tracks. Okay, so all you need to do is to wait. So that's how to transfer your library from Spotify to Amazon Music. And I do really want to note that it works on phone and PC, and it's free for small transfers and paid for large libraries. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.